In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can solve Snapchat login problem. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to make sure that your Snapchat is up to date. So for that, open your Play Store, click on the search bar and in the search bar type Snapchat. So as you can see that Snapchat requires an update. So click on this update option. Once you have updated your Snapchat, in 90% of the cases, your problem will be solved. But just in case if the issue still persists, then what you need to do is to go to your phone settings, go to app management, go to app list. Now search for Snapchat. Go to storage and then click on this clear storage and clear cache option. Once you have done that, your problem will be solved. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.